Welcome to Holistichealth TV. In today's video, we're exploring a topic that many people experience but very few openly talk about: sexual health. If you've been struggling with low libido, low energy, or difficulty performing, you are not alone. Millions of men and women experience these issues. And the good news is this: most causes can be improved naturally. In this video, we will break down what sexual health really is, what causes low desire or performance issues, natural foods and herbs that help, lifestyle habits that restore vitality, and when to seek professional guidance. Let's begin this journey to restoring balance, confidence, and overall wellness. Understanding sexual health. Sexual health is more than intimacy. It is a reflection of your body's overall well-being. Good sexual health depends on healthy hormones, a strong circulatory system, emotional stability, mental calmness, and good general health. When any of these areas weaken, a person may notice low desire, low stamina, difficulty performing, pain or discomfort, or reduced satisfaction. These issues are common and very often they are reversible. Causes of low libido and erectile dysfunction. There are many reasons why sexual health may decline. Let's explore the most common causes. Number 1, stress and anxiety. Mental pressure is one of the biggest factors that reduce sexual desire. High stress increases cortisol, a hormone that lowers libido. Number 2, hormonal imbalance. Low testosterone in men and low estrogen in women both contribute to reduced desire and poor performance. Number 3, poor blood circulation. Sexual performance depends heavily on blood flow. Conditions like high blood pressure, diabetes, and high cholesterol can interrupt circulation. Number 4, lack of sleep. Your sexual hormones are produced during deep sleep, so poor sleep lowers libido. Number 5, poor diet. Excess sugar, fried foods, alcohol, and processed foods weaken sexual hormones. Number 6, medications. Some drugs for depression, blood pressure, or anxiety can reduce sexual desire. Number 7, relationship issues. Emotional connection plays a major role in sexual desire. Number 8, sedentary lifestyle. Lack of physical activity lowers testosterone and decreases stamina. Number 9, smoking and alcohol. These weaken the blood vessels responsible for erections and pleasure. Number 10, medical conditions such as obesity, liver problems, kidney disease, prostate issues, and diabetes. Understanding the cause is the first step to healing. Natural foods that boost sexual health. Now, let's discuss natural foods that support healthy sexual function. Watermelon rich in citrulline, it improves blood flow. Ginger and garlic, powerful circulation boosters. Bananas supports blood vessel health. Dark chocolate improves mood and reduces stress. Nuts and seeds increase testosterone and enhance fertility. Leafy greens high in magnesium, a natural libido enhancer. Avocado rich in healthy fats for hormone production. Pomegranate excellent for heart and blood vessel health. Honey boosts energy naturally. Dates and tiger nuts traditionally used to improve stamina and fertility. You can also create a natural libido boosting drink by blending tiger nuts, dates, coconut milk, ginger, and a little honey. Drink this 2 to 3 times a week. Herbs that improve sexual health. Herbs have been used for centuries to support sexual wellness. Ginseng boosts energy and endurance. Maca root enhances libido in both men and women. Fenugreek supports hormone balance. Ashwagandha reduces stress and increases testosterone. Moringa improves blood quality and fertility. Honey goat weed supports circulation and performance. Consistency is important. Herbs work best when used regularly and responsibly. If you have a medical condition, consult a healthcare professional. Lifestyle habits for strong sexual health. To achieve long-lasting improvement, lifestyle matters. Exercise regularly. Physical activity boosts testosterone, stamina, and confidence. Sleep well. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest each night. Reduce stress. Mindfulness, meditation, or even quiet time helps restore balance. avoid alcohol and smoking. These are major blockers of sexual performance. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess fat lowers hormone levels and reduces libido. Stay hydrated. Water supports energy and circulation. Strengthen your emotional connection. Healthy relationships naturally increase desire and satisfaction. When to see a doctor. Sometimes professional help is necessary. Seek medical attention if you experience pain during intimacy, sudden loss of libido, erectile dysfunction for more than 3 months, unusual discharge, hormonal symptoms that persist, or if you have concerns about fertility. Your health matters, and getting help early is always the best choice. Conclusion: sexual health is a key part of your overall well-being. It affects confidence, happiness, emotional connection, and quality of life. Remember, with the right foods, natural herbs, lifestyle choices, and emotional balance, most sexual health issues can improve naturally. If this video was helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Holistichealth TV for more natural health content. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay balanced, and see you in the next video.